What's up guys, Jacob Rothenberg here, and in today's video I'm going to give you my income report for my ACX side of the business and how I made an over 300% increase with my ACX income. So for the month of September, I made approximately 2,400. Here are my sales counts for September. As you can see, it was a decent amount of audiobooks sold, but check out October. Boom. And this is just an approximation, and I have more than one access to more than one ACX account. But all in all, for the month of September, I made about $2,400 for my audiobook business. And for October, I've made over $7,500. And I'm going to tell you three things that I did to help me triple my income on ACX in a month, and how I'm going to continually grow my income exponentially over to the multiple five figures per month. So, the first thing that I did to increase my ACX income is that I am actually contacting authors and I propose a split partnership. So, what I offer to authors is I offer to buy the audiobook rights to their roster of books. So, say Mary Jane has 10 books that hasn't been done yet in audiobook form. I approach Mary Jane and say, "Hey, there's a real potential to make some money with audiobooks. I understand that maybe you are kind of lukewarm on the idea of doing the audiobooks. That's okay. How about this? I'll finance your audiobooks, and in exchange for financing all your audiobooks up front, I will give you a 50-50 split of the profits." So imagine I am no longer paying for the manuscript to be written from scratch. The book's already written, they're done, they've been marketed, but they're not yet in audiobook form. And there is a cost associated with having books narrated, especially by a decent narrator. So I'm not someone that's paying $50 per hour for a fiction book to be done. It's usually minimum $100 to $150 per finished hour. So I have bought out a roster of books. So far, I have a catalog of about 15 books that I've acquired from a few authors. And right now, I'm actually doing a buyout for a total of 23 books from another author. And I'm under NDA with a certain publisher, but I can tell you that I've got over 100 books to work with. That's going to be made into audiobooks. And so far, we've just started and the money's already coming in fast. So, number one is I did a buyout. Number two, I am utilizing the promo codes given out by Audible, by Amazon to promote their audiobook service and to promote my book roster. So, as you may know from either watching my previous videos or simply by having time spent on the Audible platform, you are given a fixed amount of promo codes per each book that you publish on Audible. Now, what we're seeing is perhaps a shift in the amount of promo codes that you're given per book. It looks like, not including your narrator, you used to be able to get a maximum of 200 codes per book. It seems that we're going to be shifting to only getting 100 codes per book. Now, to some of you, that might be discouraging, but to me, I see that as still a huge opportunity. Guys, imagine you're still getting 100 codes to give away for free, and you're getting a sale for every redemption. That's still easy money, and what an easy way to promote your books to fans that who will pass up a free audiobook from an author that they love. So use those codes, and for me, I'm very open about it. And then Amazon condones using these codes, and they encourage you to use these codes. Use all the codes that you can legitimately, and you're going to make a lot of money short term very quickly and be set up long term for continued success with your books. The third thing that I did to help me increase my income triple fold with ACX is I am running an actual sales funnel for my books. So gone are really the days where you can just rely on a VA to redeem your promo codes. There's a lot of problems that come along with that. The most prominent issue that's been coming up is at times VAs are trying to redeem the UK codes through US based clients, through US based maybe IP addresses. However, they're doing it, they're getting caught, they're getting flagged, and if you're flagged for misusing the promo codes, you lose access to the promo codes permanently. So you definitely don't want that. But what I do is I have been able to design a sales funnel for my books under each pen name that I work with. And with that, it's just been working really, really well. In not only having the codes redeemed, but to actually sell the audiobooks organically. So imagine you can be in a position where you are not depending on the promo codes to sell your audiobooks, and instead you are actually getting sales with a legitimate system on your back end that will be able to simply sell your books as you plug and play your titles in the funnel. So this is something that I didn't come up with. I was taught it, and it's not something that I want to give out publicly as info. So if you're interested in the system that's helping me come together with making a lot of money on audio and really building my business not only faster than ever on the Audible platform, but also legitimately with a real backend system that can continually sell my books, even if the promo codes go away. Wouldn't you like that? So, if you're interested, click below on my Calendly link. If you're interested, let's schedule a call together and we can talk about everything that goes with having the funnel set up and the program that I learned how to set that up with. I'll get you partnered with it. So keep plugging along, guys. November is here. It's Q4. Have fun at it with those Q4 books. Keep working on it, and I will see you later. Take care.